Hello everyone, today we discuss about Kaizen, the Japanese method by Sarah Harvey, which is a practical guide to improving your life through small, incremental changes. Kaizen is a Japanese philosophy that focuses on continuous improvement in all areas of life. This book shows you how to apply Kaizen in daily life, work, and personal growth. The idea is that by taking small steps every day, you can achieve significant, long-term results. So without wasting any time, let's get into it. 1. What is Kaizen? In the opening chapter, Sarah Harvey explains the concept of Kaizen, which means change for the better in Japanese. The philosophy originated in Japan and was used to transform businesses, but it can be applied to personal growth as well. The key idea is that even the smallest changes can lead to big improvements over time if done consistently. 2. The origins of Kaizen. This chapter dives into the history of Kaizen it back to Japan's post-World War II recovery. It was initially developed as a business practice to improve efficiency in manufacturing, but over time, it became a philosophy for personal development. Harvey emphasizes that Kaizen is about progress, not perfection. 3. Kaizen in practice, small steps to success. Here, Harvey explains how to start implementing Kaizen in everyday life. The approach is to break big goals into tiny, manageable steps. For example, if you want to start exercising, instead of committing to a full workout routine immediately, you might start with just 1 minute of exercise each day. Over time, these small steps accumulate into significant progress. 4. Building new habits with Kaizen. This chapter focuses on habit formation. Harvey explains that Kaizen helps in creating lasting habits because the changes are so small that they don't overwhelm us. She advises starting with one simple habit and gradually adding more, making the process of change feel easy and achievable. 5. Kaizen for personal development. Harvey applies the Kaizen method to personal growth in this chapter. She suggests using Kaizen to improve skills, relationships, and mental well-being. Small actions like reading 1 page of a book, taking 5 minutes to meditate, or making one healthy meal choice can gradually lead to big improvements in your life. 6. Overcoming obstacles with Kaizen. In this chapter, Harvey tackles common obstacles to self-improvement, such as fear, procrastination, and self-doubt. Kaizen is an effective way to overcome these barriers because it encourages you to take very small, manageable steps. When changes are small, they don't trigger resistance, making it easier to stick with them. 7. Kaizen in the workplace. Kaizen is often associated with business, and Harvey explains how it can be applied in the workplace. This chapter covers how small changes in work habits, team collaboration, and organization can lead to higher productivity and job satisfaction. Harvey suggests simple adjustments like organizing your workspace or breaking big projects into smaller tasks. 8. The power of reflection. Kaizen is not just about taking action, it's also about reflection. In this chapter, Harvey highlights the importance of regularly reviewing your progress and making adjustments. She encourages setting aside time to think about what's working and what could be improved. This continuous feedback loop is crucial for long-term success. 9. Kaizen for health and well-being. This chapter applies Kaizen to health and wellness. Harvey suggests starting with small, healthy habits such as drinking an extra glass of water, walking for a few minutes each day, or reducing sugar intake gradually. The focus is on making changes that are sustainable rather than overwhelming yourself with drastic shifts in lifestyle. 10. Kaizen and mindfulness. In this chapter, Harvey connects Kaizen with mindfulness, suggesting that the practice of small improvements helps you stay present and focused on the task at hand. She offers techniques for using Kaizen to improve mental clarity, reduce stress, and cultivate a more mindful approach to everyday life. 11. The long-term benefits of Kaizen. The final chapter emphasizes the long-term benefits of Kaizen. By consistently applying small changes, you can create a life that is more balanced, productive, and fulfilling. Harvey stresses that the journey of Kaizen is ongoing, and the small changes you make today will continue to pay off in the future. Conclusion. Sarah Harvey's Kaizen, the Japanese method, teaches us that big goals can be achieved through small, consistent actions. Whether it's improving your health, developing better work habits, or enhancing your relationships, Kaizen shows that progress is possible through small steps. It's a method that anyone can use to make positive changes in life without feeling overwhelmed. If you found this summary helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel Book Hub for more insightful book summaries and practical life tips. Make sure to like and share, and stay tuned for more content that will help you grow and improve every day. Happy reading.